You doing the thing, man. Yeah, man, you too, man. This your boy Be The Change, where being the change is possible, man. I'm doing this compliment challenge, man, where I'm complimenting everybody. I got my boy CJ behind the camera, man.
You know, you dig.
So we're gonna go downtown, man, see what everybody talking about.
Let's get it. Bro, this camera's smooth as hell, boys.
Right.
Yes, sir. Bro, it's so beautiful down here, man.
I know, right?
Hey, man, what you think about approaching that dude, like, that's sitting in the, playing the guitar and shit?
So, I'm gonna be like, hey, man, keep doing your thing, man. Really cool.
Bring that ass here.
Keep doing your thing, man.
Hey, bro, you know it would've been some shit though? If you'd have been like, hey, bring that ass here.
Well, I ain't gonna
Yo, rock and roll head ass.
boy, if you don't get with the damn guitar, man.
Hey, what if the people just sick they dog on your ass?
Probably scared.
So this is a compliment challenge?
Yeah, compliment challenge, man. And just complimenting everybody that walk past me, man.
Alright, bro, I got a new challenge for you though.
What is it?
Alright, this is what we're gonna do. We just gonna hand the camera to each other, and it's practically gonna be like dares, you know what I'm saying? So I dare you to challenge to compliment 20 people or some shit like
20 people?
Shit, we can start off small. Alright, 10. And it gotta be something different about each person.
Okay, cool.
Yo!
Hey, man, I like them boots.
Yo, what's up?
What's up, man? I
Look
like
at this
them
famous
This
person
my bro.
right here.
This my bro. What's good? What you do?
man.
What's up? I'm alright. I just
Hey,
did,
would you like to be a part of our vlog, bro? Would you mind?
Yeah, we're doing a
Okay,
vlog.
Yeah, we just doing a vlog, man. You know what I'm saying? We walking around giving people compliments, spreading the love, you know what I'm saying? And you know what I'm saying, trying to spread a positive message, you know what I'm
Yeah.
saying? How you feeling today though, bro?
good. I just got done doing the open mic at Fountain City.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sounds good. You was you speaking or you was singing? Singing? Oh, that dope. That's what's up, bro.
I'm kind of stressed out about it, but I'm alright.
What you stressed out about it about?
Like, you know, people said I got good reactions. People said I did good, but I'm like, this is that artist mentality. Like, you're never good until you think you're good, and then you never think you're good until you're good. So, but anyway, Jesus loves all y'all.
Appreciate you, bro.
Yeah,
Take it easy, my G. Be blessed, my guy.
What's your name, man?
TJ Rockwood.
Man, my name's Tommy.
Nice to meet you, Thomas.
Hey, we got to get your IG information too, bro.
Okay.
All right.
Where?
I think I got your yeah. Let me see.
You already got me.
So who's the next? That was 2. You got 2 down. How you feeling about it?
Feeling good, man. I'm gonna keep going with it, man.
You doing good so far, bro. Next person, you got a flame. No, I'm playing.
Yo, what's up, man? What kind of hat is that, man? What's up? I got that. Oh yeah, I like that, man.
3. He did 3 so far. 3. It's gonna get tricky now.
Crowd, but they looking at me, so
You what? You say you'll do what?
I said I would have did the crowd, but they looking dead at me.
I'm gonna back up off you a little bit so I can make sure I get you in the camera. Hey, bro, stop walking so weird though. Nah, I'm playing. You walking kind of suspect, bro. Like, nah.
I feel like everybody just staring.
Stand, cause they see me recording.
Yeah, that was good to meet you.
Bro, it's a whole bunch of people down here. You tryna? Well, I'll let you do that. Man. Let you get comfortable.
Yeah.
So you got 3 down.
3 down.
All right,
7 more to go.
7. But we gotta time it though. It's 7:52. We gotta make it interesting. 7:55.
7:55.
Yeah.
There ain't no time though.
All right. So 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock.
All right, 8 o'clock.
Hey, I like that jacket. I like the jacket. I said I like your jacket. No problem.
Okay. That's 4.
4.
All right.
It kind of more even now.
It's getting there. I like this, bro. I like this. Yeah. You should have said y'all a beautiful couple.
Yeah.
Hey, but we just getting our feet wet, man. You know what I'm saying? This ain't nothing major, bro. We just, may not even use this clip, but it's something that'll help us develop our people skills. You know, talking to complete strangers is not an easy task, man. You know what I'm saying? And I feel like the change starts with all of us. You know what I'm saying? So we just want to spread love, you know, give you a compliment, tell you how beautiful you are, how I like your shoes, or how I like your hat.
My boy CJ, man.
Good. So we're gonna do a polite roast. It's gonna be some low key jump. It's just an experiment though, like we're gonna see how it goes. Hopefully it goes well. I'm not gonna do a group of people because they gonna gang up on me.
Yeah, they gonna gang up on you.
Like I got our first stick, the umbrella.
Go ahead. I knew you weren't gonna roast it, man. That's why I was looking at you. Let's do a different one. I dare you to tell 10 people how your day been, or ask them how their day was.
I like that one.
Okay, bet.
Does that count as two?
Yeah, you kind of is too.
That's only. Hey, how you doing today?
Okay, oh, man, this shit easy. Hey, that count though.
My nigga. That's all I'm gonna say to the next person.
You gonna say my nigga? That was 3, okay.
I'm gonna beat your record, but you only got 2.
Yeah, man, I suck.
Hold on, shit, we might have a little contract.
I forgot to zoom. Oh, there you zoom.
Oh, shit.
Downtown with it, man.